National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Calumet Harbor, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 11:15 p.m. At 9:11 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms capable of producing strong winds to nearly 50 knots from 28 nautical miles northwest of Wind Point to 51 nautical miles west of Winthrop Harbor, moving southeast at 40 knots. These thunderstorms will be near Waukesha Harbor around 10:05 p.m., Wilmette Harbor around 10:40 p.m., Northerly Islands around 11 o'clock p.m. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 2 o'clock a.m. Wednesday morning for northeastern Illinois. The National Weather Service in Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm